Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe. Welcome to the first session of the new chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. You have already learned that algebra is a powerful tool for solving mathematical and other problems using generalization. Now, let us see in detail about these algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? We have learned in 7th standard about algebraic expression. Do you remember, children? An algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constants using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us take an example. Here 5x minus 3 is an algebraic expression. Why do you call it as an expression? Because it's a combination of variables and also constant. There is a mathematical operation minus which combine the terms 5x and 3. Here we call 5x as one term and 3 is another term. And also the variable involved in it is x. And the coefficient of the variable x is 5. The number 3 is the constant here. Now let's see what all are these terms. Let us recall the terms associated with an algebraic expression. Parts of an algebraic expression. Terms. That's a part of the expression separated by addition or subtraction. Variable. It is an unknown value represented by a letter in an algebraic expression. Here the variable used is x. Constant. The term in an algebraic expression that never changes. Coefficient. A number multiplied by the variable. Do you remember all this? Now children, let us classify these expressions into different types. Monomial. It's a polynomial containing just one term. It can be a number, it can be a variable, or it can be a product of numbers, variables. But the condition is that it should not have negative or fractional exponents. For example, minus 5, xy, 5x squared, 5x squared y. Now, the next one is binomial. The word bi means two. Okay, it's a polynomial containing two unlike terms. So, examples for binomials are x plus 5, xy minus 5, 5x squared minus x. Another example for a binomial is 5x squared plus y cube. Have you heard the term trinomial? As you know, a triangle, tri means three-sided, okay? Same like that, trinomial. The word trinomial, if you split it, you can write it as tri and nomial. So, tri here also means three. As you know, a triangle has got three sides. Same like that, trinomial means it has got three terms. It should be three unlike terms. A polynomial containing three unlike terms is named as a trinomial. Examples here are x plus 5 plus y, 5x squared minus x plus y, 5x squared plus y cube minus z. Now, polynomial. It is an expression that is a monomial or the sum of monomials. So, whatever we have discussed so far, it comes under polynomials. It can be a monomial, it can be a binomial, it can be a trinomial and so on. Examples, xy minus 5, 5x squared minus x plus y, 5x squared plus y cube minus z plus 3. Here as you see, it has got the last example has got 4 terms. Now have a look at this. Monomial means, as I told you, just one term. Example, minus 2x raised to 5. Binomial, 2 terms are there. So x squared plus 5. Trinomial, 3 terms. 3x minus 8 plus 4x raised to 5. 4 term polynomial or polynomial we can say. 4 minus 7a squared plus 9b minus 4b cube plus 6. I think the different types is clear for you.
Learn something more with an interesting example. Suppose every month your dad donates some stationery to a school for poor children. One day he calls you to ask how many are remaining at home so that he could bring some more to distribute. You went to see and you saw 3 boxes. In the first box you found 3 pencils, 5 erasers, 2 notebooks. In second you saw 6 erasers, 4 pencils and 5 notebooks. 3 notebooks, 1 pencil and 2 erasers in the third box. So how will you tell to your dad? Would you say that there are 3 pencils, 5 erasers and 2 notebooks in the first box? 6 erasers, 4 pencils and 5 notebooks in second. 3 notebooks, 1 pencil, 2 erasers in the third box. Maybe yes, but don't you think if you add same kind of stationeries together, then in short you can say there are 8 pencils, 13 erasers and 10 notebooks. So what did we actually do here? We have combined and added the same kind of stationeries together. Let's denote pencils with alphabet X, erasers with Y and notebooks with Z. Therefore, mathematically we say we have 3 different expressions. Now to add these expressions, just like we did in this example, we will combine the terms with the same variable together and then it will be very easy to add them. So we could combine the terms with the same variable and can add them to get 8x, 13y, 10z. In algebra, such type of practice is known as adding the like terms together. Friends, there are basically 2 ways by which we can add or subtract the expressions. In first method, we write expressions in a horizontal line. Then the terms are arranged to collect all the groups of like terms and then added. Second is vertical method. In this, each expression is written in a separate row and the like terms are arranged one below the other in a column. Then we add the like terms column wise. Let's take one more example to understand it better. Suppose from all the 3 boxes, your brother John came and he said that he needed 3 erasers, 2 pencils and 6 notebooks. So you have to give it to your brother. Now can you tell how many are remaining? To answer this, we will separate the stationeries for John from the total. And now you are left with only 6 pencils, 10 erasers and 4 notebooks. Friends, in mathematical language, removing or separating something simply mean that we have to perform subtraction. So for this situation, we can write a mathematical statement as, I hope you have understood why I have taken this minus sign here. This minus sign because we have to subtract the stationaries. So this will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 6. We'll rearrange. From 8 pencils, if we'll take out 2, we'll be left with 6. Similarly, from 13 erasers, if we remove 3, 10 will left. And since 10 minus 6 is 4, so here 4 notebooks. Again, if X indicates pencils, Y indicates erasers, and Z is notebooks. On rearranging, we get. So now you have to call again to your dad to inform that John has taken some stationaries. And now the left stationaries at home are 6 pencils, 10 erasers and 4 notebooks. Let's solve a simple question. Subtract the expression x minus 5 from 7x minus 3y plus 5. So from 7x minus 3y plus 5, we have to subtract x minus y. We will first open the bracket. So 7x minus 3y plus 5 minus x minus y. Oh, I have made a mistake here. Can you find where? While opening the bracket, I forgot that here y has negative sign. So this has to be plus y. And we write 7x minus 3y plus 5 minus x plus y. Again we'll rearrange this to write like terms together as 7x minus x minus 3y plus y plus 5. So 7x minus x is 6x, minus 3y plus y will be minus 2y, and we will write 5 as it is. Please note one thing, that addition and subtraction is possible only with like terms. Because if I ask you what do you get when you add 6 pencils and 4 erasers together, would you say 10 pencils or 10 erasers? No, we cannot add pencils with erasers. Therefore, we simply write 6 pencils plus 4 erasers. Similarly, we cannot say that from 8 pencils we give 5 erasers to someone. It's actually meaningless. We cannot have an eraser from a pencil. I'm sure you have understood now that only like terms are added or subtracted, not unlike terms. Let's answer some more questions to have a better knowledge. The first question is, we have to add 2x and 2x square. Second is, which of the terms below is a like term to minus x square y? Like term to minus 7 is subtract 8x plus 8 from 11x to get I hope we have understood this session.
So children, we have learned addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Go through the video, learn the lesson properly, thoroughly. Let's see in the next video very soon. Here is a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change you want to see in the world. Thank you, children. Have a great day.